Dimensions and coordinates.
Consider a point P in a plane. Let's say that this point can move to the right or the left. Consider a variable called x which increases its value if we move the point to the right and its value decreases when we move the point to the left. This is a way of representing the point's position with a variable. Right now we have one variable, so we have the freedom to move the point in one direction only. This is called one-dimensional freedom. Furthermore, we have a point where the value of x is 0. This is called the origin. We can also draw a line and label the value of the variable at different points. Hence, we form a number line. Let's expand this idea. Say we have another variable y, and increasing or decreasing its value means moving the point up or down. So now we have the freedom to move the point in two directions, up and down and right and left. Now we have two degrees of freedom. This is called two-dimensional freedom. We can also represent the position of this point by an ordered pair, in which we write braces and with the value of x first and comma y. That ordered pair is called the coordinates of this point. Now as you can see, these two number lines divide the screen into four parts. This part is called quadrant 1. This part is called quadrant 2. And the part where the value of x and y is negative is called quadrant 3. The part where value of x is positive while y is negative is called quadrant 4. Fun fact, we can represent the position of this point also by complex numbers where z equals to x plus y iota. In this equation, the x-coordinate of the point is the real part of z, whereas the y-coordinate is the imaginary part of z. These are called rectangular coordinates because if we draw the x and y variable, they form a rectangle with the x and y axis. Similarly, there is another method of representing the position of a point. One coordinate is called the distance, which is the distance between the origin and the point. The other coordinate is called the angle, which is the angle between the origin and the point. The distance and the angle can be calculated by the following formula.